How to remove battery from Ryobi 36 volts lithium leaf blower.
How old is your Ryobi leaf blower? When did you last clean or replace the filter?
Maybe 4 or 5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Ryobi leaf blower? What have you tried so far?
This is the first time I've used it, and I need to recharge the battery.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing else on the 8G to describe it except 2.6.
Welcome to Just Answer. Hello. My name is will be assisting you shortly. Please allow me a few moments to review your post and type my reply. The battery slides into the blower from the blower tube towards the handle. There is a release on the bottom and end of the battery. Push in the release and pull the battery towards the tube away from the handle. See page 130 diagram 3 to see how the battery is installed and removed. https://cdn.ryobishop.ru/download/ryobi-rbl36jb.pdf. Greetings. I was reviewing my open questions and noticed this one has not received a reply. Please let me know if you still require assistance and we can continue. Thanks, Dave. Hello. Just following up to see if you still need help with this question or if I should proceed in closing it out. Please reply and let me know. Thanks, Dave. Hello. I was reviewing my open questions and noticed there hasn't been any further correspondence since our last communication on December 17, 2019. I would appreciate it if you would take a few moments and let me know whether you still need help, and if so, we can continue, otherwise I will proceed in closing this question out. Thank you very much. Best, Dave.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.